If the pink and grey birds fly on you and you don't want them on you, or you think they're going to bite you, don't try to brush them off with your hands, okay? Because that's where they will bite you. Because the reason is they hop on, they don't want to get off, and that's why they bite you. So if you stand on one foot and whiz, they'll shoot off, okay? And you won't hurt them, they'll just fly away. You got some apples, Stevie? Yep. At the park we have a large walk-in aviary, and most of the birds in here are quite friendly and hand-tamed. We provide food at the front of the aviary that people can bring in, and they can hand feed the birds. They'll come and sit on their arms and eat from their hands, and most of these birds are very used to people, so you can get a very close experience with them.